Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing this PAC HD Liquid Foundation. PAC is a cosmetic brand which has been recently launched few years back. Now it has all the range of brushes, eyeshadows, compacts, highlighters and foundation. So this is its range of liquid foundation. It says HD, which means it has to be full coverage. It comes in this cardboard packaging. This has 30 ml of product, and on the back of it, it has mentioned all the ingredients, and also it is available on Amazon, Flipkart, on PAC Cosmetic Instagram and on Facebook website. Now this PAC Cosmetic brand is not easily available around the stores. You have to visit its website or online for purchasing this. I have purchased it from Amazon. So this foundation retails for rupees 795. I think I will mention the correct price somewhere here. So the shade number I have got is shade 2.3. It is very difficult to find the shade online as the swatches PAC has given is not true. I will insert a picture here. You can see it for yourself. But it is not like 1 is the lightest shade and 3 is the darkest shade. Its shades are mixed. 1.3 can be a little darker than 1.5. You have to guess it or search for YouTube for its swatches. Now it comes in this packaging, and when you open it, this is the foundation line there. It is very sturdy packaging. You can travel with it easily. So this is the bottle. It mentions it's mentioned PAC Cosmetic, and on the bottom of it, it has its shade 2.3. Now it seems to be a little dirty because I have swatched it. I have not used it on my face. I am going to use it with you guys only. So it comes with this pump. It has its little cap here. It comes with this pump, which is very good, so that it does not dispense any more product or less product. You can accommodate it by your choice. So I am taking one pump here. So this is the texture of the foundation. It is not too thick, not too thin. It has a little bit of runny texture. First I will give you a swatch on my hand so that you can easily see the color and decide for your shade. So this is the shade I have got. This is shade number 2.3. I will be applying this foundation using PAC foundation brush. This is PAC 256. It is this stippling brush. So I am going to use this. First I will dot it all over my face. And some under my neck. So now I am going to buff it using the same brush. It appears to be a good color match for me. I think it exactly matches my skin tone. So it easily buffs into my skin, and it seems to look very natural on my skin. But as it says it is HD, it does not seem to be that much full coverage to me. As you can still see my marks here. So it does evens out my skin tone, which is very good. I think I like this foundation. I do not like full coverage foundation as it looks very cakey, and this looks very natural to me. I think you can layer it up. So let's try to layer it some of the foundation here, so that let's see if it can hide this red mark or not. I am going to take little of the foundation just a tiny bit, and then I will just put it here and see if it can hide this mark. I think I should put it some on under my eyes as well. Let's see if it conceals the dark circles. So yeah, it definitely covers up much more. Also, this brush is very good. If you tap it like this, it will give you more coverage. If you will drag it, then it will give you sheer coverage. So the first time I used the foundation, I used the dragging motion. That's why I think it gave me a sheer coverage. But when I tapped it here, then it immediately covers up the scar and covers up the acne and give me more coverage. So let's see what are my final thoughts. Let's first look at the pros. Pro number 1, this has a huge range of this foundation from lightest to darkest, so you can absolutely find your shade. Pro number 2, it comes with this pump which is very easy to use and travel friendly. Pro number 3, it has this sturdy packaging in which it can fit easily. Pro number 4, it gives you a very natural coverage. Pro number 5, you can build the coverage according to your choice. Pro number 6, it was an exact match for my skin tone, so I am very happy. Pro number 7, it does evens out your skin tone and feels very light on the skin. Now let's look at the cons of this foundation. Con number 1, it comes with this little cap which you might lose somewhere, and you will end up having this pump open up so it can also attract some germs. Con number 2, this foundation is not easily available around the stores, especially living in a metro city, living in Delhi. I cannot find this anywhere nearby. Yes, PAC has recently opened a store in Rohini, but it is very far and it has only one store in Delhi, so that I have to include it in the con. Con number 3, the swatches that they have given online are not true. You have to guess it looking at the bottle, looking at the shade through the bottle which they have shown, but the swatches are not true. So yeah, those are the 3 cons and I have 7 pros, which means that it absolutely wins, and the packaging and shade can be once not seen, but its performance has to be seen at the end of the day. You have to see the performance of the foundation. It is very light, it looks very natural, and I think I am happy with the foundation. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this review, then please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, do click the subscribe button and the bell button nearby so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. I will see you soon. Until then, bye bye, take care and be happy. Bye.